So moving on from the routers, you're going to see the leaderboard tab. Now clicking on the leaderboard, it is still in relation to the Connext routers. So basically what you're going to see here are the routers ranked in a leaderboard based on the liquidity they have provided. So from each tab we can see a router, the version they are on, whether they are active or not, the number of transactions being processed at the moment by a particular router, liquidity that has been provided, then total volume on each router and the number of transactions. And then right here you will see the number of chains supported by a router.